Right. See, uh, subscription. So select the free trial. Okay, and then go for the Pro DevOps. Select the resource group. Okay, so and give the virtual machines. I am selecting the Windows Server. What is this Windows Server? Yeah. So Windows Server 2016. Okay, I try to launch the Windows 2000 server under one private virtual network. So this is the reason. Availability options the same. So image, so go and select your Windows image. Drop down. Yeah, so I want to launch the Windows Server. So yeah, Windows Server 2016 data center. Windows Server 2016 data center. Okay, next to size. So we already discussed the size, right? Standard D2 DS V4 and 2 vCPU. So this is the 8 GB RAM and 2 CPU two CPUs. This is the cost. Okay, username. So I am entering the username. admin123. You can give any name. Password. So it's asking the strong password. Yes, taken. Okay. So once you enter password, password must match. Yes. Yeah, so on selecting the password details, okay, so yes, licensing, go for click disks. So OS disk type and SSE encryption types, so both selected. Click on networking. Here we need to specify the our virtual custom virtual network, private virtual network. Yeah. So virtual network. So what is your virtual network name? DevOps or virtual network one or virtual network. So virtual network one. So we created virtual network one. So this is the default subnet. It is selected. We go for our custom subnet, public subnet. Okay. So here public IP address. Yes, release the new public IP address. So networking groups all are the default settings only. RDP is enabled. Okay. Click management. Okay, so click advanced tab. Remaining all are default settings only. Again click advanced, click tag, review and create. So we created our own virtual machine under our isolation network, private network. See, once you created it, it will display the message. Create virtual machine. So yeah, it's created. Click create. So 8 rupees per hour. So subscription this virtual machine cost 8 rupees per hour. right. So deployment in progress. Deployment is in progress. Still creating. So we go and see, we click on virtual machine. So once ready, it will come under virtual machines. Still creating. Yeah. So deployment succeeds. So virtual machine is ready. You just refresh to display here. See. So server 2016 is ready. Click on the Windows Server 2016 and copy the public IP address and connect to it. So like this, you can launch any operating system, Windows, Linux, database servers, services, anything under your private virtual networks or isolation virtual networks. This is my public IP address. So just copy this public IP address. Just copy. Yes, and go here. Try to access the virtual machine. Go click and run. So this command is the MSDSC for remote desktop connection. MSDSC. So enter the IP address, public IP address, click connect. Here you have to enter the administrator username and password. So username is admin 123, right? So password is this is my password. It's connecting to my virtual machine. So last class we discussed how to connect the virtual machines in the default network, now our custom network. Same process. This is the Windows Server 2016 database server. So you can see all the options, server options are available. Administrator role, click on server manager, it will display the all server manager options. You can install the Active Directory roles, DNS roles, DHCP role. So everything is possible. Okay.